Wagwan. Wagwan bread bins. It's me, Tropical Tea, aka Daddy Osborne.
And it's me here, it's Misha. Today in this video, we're gonna show you my mum's family land.
Yeah, it was wicked.
Yeah, we had such a lovely day going around. This is in Clarendon. And yeah, it was a lovely experience just seeing where my mum grew up. I'm gonna take you to her old house, well, what's left of it.
More like, if you imagine like ruins, like a castle, you have to think of it like that.
Well, you're not wrong, but yeah, I'm gonna take you through what's left of it.
Interesting, it's very interesting.
And just show you around, and yeah, just being in that space where my mum obviously grew up and where my granddad grew up. I'm going to show you my granddad's grave and where a few family members have been buried. It's just, you see, it's a special place to me and a special place to the children.
Yeah.
So yes.
And me as well. So we're going to, what we're going to do is we're going to refurbish. We're going to renovate. It's going to take a lot because it's basically building it from the ground up. And then we're going to try and get Misha's mum back into the house.
This must be just his plan alone.
She lives in England, but we're going to try and get her back out. But anyway, come with us today as we head down to somewhere deep in Clarendon, who knows where, and to find Misha's family land. Get ready.
Hold on.
Back a Bulla.
Yeah. So it's 280.
That ain't bad, is it?
Yeah, that's really good. And look how big they are.
Yeah. First time at the bakery. Yay. Big up, better taste bakery.
And there's like a coffee factory opposite.
Yeah, there's a coffee factory over there. Apparently you can go over there and ask the security for a cup of coffee and they'll hook you up with one for free.
So that's nice.
Don't know if that's true, but that's amazing if it is.
I think we need to go over with money, like just in case, really.
Yeah, I agree. Bulla, fresh from the bakery. How much was it?
280.
280. So, yeah, cheap, man. And look at the quality of the Bulla.
How big they are.
And the actual quality of the Bulla seems like already.
Like they're well rich in colour and.
Yeah, they're beautiful looking. It's a beautiful looking piece of Bulla. Here's the for the taste test.
Taste test.
Tastes like Bulla.
About me.
Here you go, guys.
Yeah.
Want to help my life. Acceptance is more worse than outright rejection. So these people rapping on play. Warm acceptance is more worse than outright rejection.
This is sick. See, this is wicked.
If you press the oppressed shall not remain oppressed forever.
Who wants to go on the video?
Ah, yes. Yes, sir. Yeah, that's the one.
Thank you.
There you go.
Thank you.
That's why they cry.
Look, this is just an average day on the high street in Jamaica, and the geezer that runs the tyre shop, he's put it on the proper set. He's got like his whole set up there, and he's doing like a performance, and like he's decent, isn't it? Like he's actually well up for it. How good is this?
Rail bridge arrived.
Hello. How you doing, guys? Do you know like the bit underneath the bridge by the river? Yeah, you know the river, and then you can get down onto the river bed. Do you know how to get there from here?
No, I don't know how to get down to the river.
Oh, you know like by the by the bridge?
No.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Probably you can ask somebody down the road there.
Yeah.
You know a bridge down on the bridge? You know if you go down in the river? Which part you want go down the river? Down the bridge, they want to know.
Yeah, you know the bridge, the river spot. Yeah. Which way is it? Is it near?
Yeah, man, let's go down the bridge and park, man, and just check the time out. Walk on the side there, reach.
Yeah, you'll reach it. Alright. Thanks.
Thank you.
Yeah.
We have to keep them with dogs, them.
The dogs want to eat them up.
Yeah.
When I see you from Robbie.
How long's it been? When did we last go up there? Like
for a while.
2
A couple
months?
of months ago, we went up there once when your dad was there. We went
Yeah.
and saw her dad.
Yeah.
Go and stand next to you, guys.
Oh, you've seen her. Say hello, Mr. Cow. Hey, do you want to get in? Yeah. Dunno. Oh, so cute. Where's its little face? There it is. Isn't it cute, Hayes? Okay. Well done, guys. Just mind where you're treading and just walk carefully. Oh, maybe it is. I thought they were doing it on this right-hand side here, but I guess not. Granddad's grave and my granddad's sister, and there's a few other family members that are buried here on the family land. Tia and Hazel, can you just stay over here on this side? I wonder how long this coconut tree's been here. Like, considering it's like the family land, you just must think like generations and generations have been eating from this tree. It's just, yeah, it's a lovely thought.
In loving memory of a beloved mother, Eliza, Victoria, King, Mama Dolly, Sunrise, 1937.
Sunset.
Ma, 27/29.
2019.
Forgotten.
Gone, but not.
Forgotten. Stanley by children.
Yeah.
Grandchildren of Look at this baby coconut.
Wow. That's from your ancestral coconut tree.
No.
I wonder. Here, come on, guys.
Here, there's another Ackee tree. So this is my mum's old house, which she grew up in. You can see, like, this must be like the front porch where they would sit and get a bit of breeze and relax. And then in here, guess is the main room. Go on.
Your mum told us that front room wasn't the main room. The actual house was made out of timber, and sat behind this was a wooden timber frame.
Come through. Wow. Crazy. Look at this. Wow, this is like the furthest I've gone in. I've not even like come through back here yet. Look at this. So the house, I guess, would have gone on to the timber structure, like so said, back here.
Yeah, so you can see, but she said it did, but then this is just more like a patio, isn't it?
Yeah, it seems like it. You can just see a little square here.
Yeah, so maybe it didn't. Maybe that's what it was. Maybe it was a one bedroom. You can't really go back any further, but this would have been the yard.
Yeah.
You can see where it's been cut out. Can you see there's like a ridge cut? So like round there is basically, is the yard and where they are.
So
and then and the roof slopes downwards.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is where my mum grew up.
Yeah. So really, it is. It's one.
Lizard?
Oh yeah, the new residence.
Crazy. And like my mum spoke about as she was growing up, she always spoke about having like dogs and goats, and she spoke about having loads of animals. Yeah, lovely.
Lovely to be here, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It's really nice.
When are we gonna refurbish it, renovate it? I'm being serious.
Christ. Where would you begin?
Well, you just clear it out and clear all the woods and everything around it. And then once you've cleared it out, you put a roof on it. Once you put a roof on it, you re-plaster it. And then once you've done that, you're golden. I mean, there's an Ackee tree literally pushed up against the side of the house.
There is, isn't there? Couldn't get any closer if it tried.
Alright,
Come on. Little bit of a background. My mum left Jamaica around the late 70s, maybe 80s. And then she moved to England with my dad. They had me, I had my sister, and had my brother. So I have an older brother, a younger sister, and I'm the middle child. And yeah, she has not been back to Jamaica since the day she left. She left behind her dad, a brother. She had another brother who passed away, and she had a friend up the road. She had her cousins in the area, and yeah, what can I say? It was so lovely to go and visit the area that my mum grew up in. Just to stand in the same space that my mum stood in and my grandparents and all my ancestors have stood in, underneath that coconut tree with my children, was just a special moment. Something that hopefully they'll never forget.